students have got a really full engineering experience. They dove headfirst into the world of semiconductor research. They were, from day one, they were tasked with thinking like an engineer, working on the classic icebreaker where you're designing a chair out of cardboard using only limited materials. Their main project that they were tasked with developing was to either build a smart home system or a health sensing system, a health monitoring system, using the microcontroller Arduino and a suite of sensors.
I learned so many things, and I've had so many good experiences here. I think one of the biggest things is I learned how to use an Arduino, which I didn't even know existed before. Essentially how to connect the hardware to the software, because I've taken computer science classes before and I feel like they really skipped that part, and so that's always been a big question for me, and that really helped me understand that connection.
I've worked a lot with Arduino and microcontrollers in general and sensors and coding, so it was a really fun experience because I usually do that alone and there's not a lot of people at my school who do the same thing.
So basically what we made is it's like a home security system, and basically what it'll do is it'll use motion sensors to detect an intruder, and it'll alarm the people inside the house, and it'll also have a keypad system so you're actually able to log in so no intruder can just go inside your house.
Ultimately, we want students to leave this program being able to really believe that they have the ability to continue on their journey of exploring whether this is a field for them. And if they don't decide to take this path, we hope that they learn very valuable problem-solving skills, team-working skills that they can leverage in whatever path that they take.
Working as a team has given me new skills on how to communicate, problem solving, and I just really enjoy being able to participate at this program.
So far, the most exciting part about the camp has just been coding. I can really make whatever I want, and my thoughts will turn into it'll be a real reality. What I typed on the computer will actually be transcribed into code, and I can really make whatever I want.
Oh, it's fun. It's really, really fun. You get to teach students what really ECE kind of is, and then you show them the hive and the robotarium. They become more interested in really what engineering is.
Honestly, to me, the most fun has been working in a team, being able to talk with my partners and kind of work on different things at the same time and then put it all together to have a really neat project.
Originally, before I went into this camp, I was thinking of just majoring in computer science, but I think coming out of it, I think I'll definitely greatly take that more into consideration than I did before, and I will probably go into ECE.
I actually want to go to college here. That's what I've been thinking about. I've actually been trying to do many things around here, just really get used to Georgia Tech, and hopefully I can come here when I go to college.
I think it's super important for students to be exposed to experiences like this. I think first, just the opportunity of stepping on Georgia Tech's campus, being in the classrooms, sitting in the caf, walking the yard. I think all of these things help them visualize a possible future for them. And then to have been exposed to engineering projects and even engineering lectures given by actual professors here at Tech, I think it helped some of the students view it as even more possible for them to pursue this path, right? It opened up to even more questions asked. It opened up to even more future possibilities and helping them see how the world that they're experiencing in real time that's changing for all of us, how they can be a part of shaping that and creating even more advanced future.